Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna be making Play-Doh. So all you need is, first we'll do flour. You'll need this 1 cup of flour, and then oh, this is creeping me out. Okay. Alright, whatever. Every time I move, like, back there moves. Oh, that's weird. Alright, and then you'll pour it into a bowl. Like a bowl. You'll need a spoon to stir. So basically 1 cup of flour. Hold on, maybe. That should be good enough. And then I got the 1 cup of flour in here. Okay. Water, crap. You need this, salt, and then water. I'll be right back. I currently have to get some water after this. So pour the salt in here. Has to be completely full. This is a 1-2 cup. Not quite sure how to explain that. 1 second cup? I don't know. 1-2 cup? I don't know. And you'll pour this into here. And then I'll be right back to go get a cup of water. Alright, I'm back. So you'll take that 1-2 cup, I don't know what how you'll say that, and you'll fill it all the way up. Yeah, the water. And you'll pour a little bit in, just ever so often. So ever so often you'll pour a little bit in as you're stirring it. So temporary or something like that. Stir it. Or water. And then I'll get some water. Pour it in. Sorry, I'm not that good at vlogging here, but okay. Anyway, do this, you'll just stir. And basically all you need is flour, salt, and water. And then stir it all together. So you'll need to pour flour, salt, and then a little bit of water ever so often. Or not ever so often, but you know what I mean. Okay. And then this, I'm just gonna pour all of it in there. Try to hurry and speed this up if my phone does turn off, because I'm charging it, but if it shuts off, then like, subscribe, and comment down below. Or you can't comment, but like and subscribe. And I think I did it wrong. And then make sure to go check out Kaylee Burgoon's channel. That will be her channel. Like and subscribe on hers. Don't forget to like and subscribe on mine. Make sure you hit the notification bell, turn it all to all, and yeah. Alright. And I'll catch you guys in a minute when this is done. It's just basically stirring it all. Alright, I stirred it up. And now that I have stirred it up, it looks kind of crummy. Basically is what you need to do. More flour, maybe, I think. Oh, no, I forgot. Use your hands. It's gonna look a little like this. Just use your hands and kind of play with it a little bit. And push it all in together. Make sure, if it's sticky, make sure to use like a little bit of flour every so often to put it on it. And yeah, make sure to every so often put some flour on there, and then it became Play-Doh. And you can also put color on it. So basically, as you're stirring everything, put the color in it, like food coloring. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Like, subscribe, like I said, like, subscribe, and turn notification bells on to all. And don't forget to check out Kaylee Bergen's channel. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Bye.